For the first time since November, fewer than 1,000 people are in the hospital with the coronavirus. 618 more people testing positive. The statewide positivity rate dropping is now closer to 4%. Now, starting tomorrow, some restrictions will be lifted in Baltimore City. The 1-hour time limit for patrons at bars and restaurants will end. Dining capacity is still at 25% indoors and 50% outdoors. Customers will have to still sign in and sign out. Amateur sports can resume as well as live performances. Now, providers across the state are administering an average of 27,000 shots a day, but senior citizens are struggling to sign up. Rachel Menitoff showing us how they can help. Rachel, what are they saying?
Max, as you mentioned, all of the major metrics are on the decline, like hospitalizations and positivity rate. Now the struggle is getting the vaccine to everyone who wants one, especially vulnerable populations like senior citizens. Governor Hogan says COVID hospitalizations dropped below 1,000 for the first time since mid-November. The statewide positivity rate and case rate are falling too. While the 7-day positivity rate is getting closer to 4%, Hogan highlighted that the daily positivity rate is now at 2.5%, the lowest it's been since mid-October.
Things are getting better, dramatically better day by day.
Dr. Jonathan Thierman with LifeBridge Hospital says the key is to build up enough immunity in the population.
We're at about a 1.6 million U.S. Citizens a day getting vaccinated. But if we all took off the masks and started taking bus and public transportation and airplanes tomorrow, the disease would spread faster than we can vaccinate people.
Baltimore clergy and medical professionals got together Sunday to announce a new tool for senior citizens. Anyone 80 and older can now call or text an unofficial COVID vaccine hotline. The number is 410-929-6024. Volunteers will help you sign up, secure an appointment, and even coordinate travel.
Our concept is to have a guide or a coach so that they're not talking to 10 different people.
The goal is also to address inequities in the distribution of vaccine. Only 5% of African American residents in Baltimore City have received a first dose. Dr. Marvin Cheatham is with the Matthew Henson Neighborhood Association.
It's not that we don't have folks that are interested, we have folks that don't have access to it. We want to bring access to it.
And the doctor from LifeBridge Hospital who we heard from says he's already starting to notice an uptick in vaccines in our area hospitals. And he says he's hopeful that once the Johnson & Johnson vaccine is approved, that we'll see even more vaccines. Reporting in Baltimore County, I'm Rachel Menitoff for WJZ.